Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of mind-settling meditation. In this guide, we will explore the power of meditation and how it can help you achieve a state of calm and serenity. We will also discuss the scientific research behind meditation and provide practical tips for integrating this practice into your daily routine. What is mind-settling meditation? Mind-settling meditation, also known as mindfulness meditation, is a practice that involves training your mind to focus on the present moment. This type of meditation involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. By doing so, you can develop a greater sense of self-awareness and cultivate a more positive and compassionate mindset. The benefits of mind-settling meditation reduces stress and anxiety. Mind-settling meditation has been shown to reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. A study conducted by the University of Massachusetts Medical School found that individuals who practiced mindfulness meditation for 8 weeks experienced a reduction in anxiety symptoms by an average of 58%. Improves emotional regulation. By practicing mind-settling meditation, you can learn to regulate your emotions and respond more calmly to challenging situations. A study conducted by the University of Wisconsin-Madison found that individuals who practiced mindfulness meditation had increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, an area of the brain responsible for emotion regulation. Enhances focus and attention. Mind-settling meditation can improve your ability to focus and concentrate. A study published in the Journal of Cognitive Enhancement found that individuals who practiced mindfulness meditation had improved intentional control and working memory capacity. Promotes better sleep. By calming the mind and reducing stress, mind-settling meditation can also promote better sleep. A study conducted by the University of Minnesota found that individuals who practiced mindfulness meditation had improved sleep quality and decreased symptoms of insomnia. Boosts immune function. Mind-settling meditation has been shown to boost immune function by reducing inflammation in the body. A study published in the journal Brain, Behavior, and Immunity found that individuals who practiced mindfulness meditation had decreased levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. How to practice mind-settling meditation. Find quiet place to practice mind-settling meditation. It's important to find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This can be a designated meditation space in your home or simply a quiet corner where you feel at ease. Sit comfortably. Once you've found a quiet place, sit comfortably with your back straight and your feet on the ground. You can sit on a cushion or chair, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and focus your attention on your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your breath to anchor you in the present moment. Observe your thoughts as you focus on your breath. You may notice thoughts, feelings, or bodily sensations arise. Instead of getting caught up in these distractions, simply observe them without judgment and return your attention to your breath. Practice daily. To experience the full benefits of mind-settling meditation, it's important to practice daily. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase your practice time as you become more comfortable with the practice. In conclusion, mind-settling meditation is a powerful practice that can help you achieve a state of calm and serenity. By reducing stress and anxiety, improving emotional regulation, enhancing focus and attention, promoting better sleep, and boosting immune function, mind-settling meditation offers numerous benefits for both your physical and mental health. By following the practical tips we've provided, you can begin to integrate this practice into your daily routine and experience the positive changes it can bring to your life. So, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin your journey towards a more peaceful and mindful life with mind-settling meditation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.